In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a meeting in Outlook. If you're using Outlook for your calendar needs, you might find yourself in a situation where you need to change the timing of an event. Whether it's a change in your schedule or unforeseen circumstances, rescheduling can be done seamlessly with just a few steps. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for Outlook in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is sign in. If you don't see the sign in option right away, look around the page, usually near the top right corner, where you'll find a sign in button waiting for you. Click on that sign in button and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. This is where you'll type in your email address and password associated with your Outlook account. After you've filled in your details, you'll hit the next button to proceed. It's essential to ensure that your login information is correct to avoid any hiccups as you try to access your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage your emails, contacts, and of course, your calendar. Now, to get to the calendar, you'll want to glance towards the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll spot the calendar icon, which is your gateway to viewing and editing your events. Upon clicking the calendar icon, your Outlook calendar will open up, showing the events and meetings you've scheduled. Scan through the calendar to locate the particular event or meeting that you need to reschedule. It might be helpful to use the search feature if you have trouble finding it amidst a busy schedule. After you've identified the meeting, click on the event to select it. Once selected, an edit option will appear. By clicking Edit, you open up the details of the event. Here, you can make the necessary changes to the date and time of your meeting. Feel free to adjust other details if required, such as location or adding a note for participants explaining the change. When you're satisfied with your new settings, don't forget to save your changes. This will update the meeting time in your calendar and notify other participants of the rescheduling if they are part of the event. And there you have it, a straightforward way to reschedule a meeting in Outlook without breaking a sweat. Thanks for tuning in and happy scheduling.